A thorough move-in inspection is essential for protecting your security deposit rights in Colorado, where landlords must return deposits or provide itemized deductions within strict timeframes. Welcome to Tenant Screening, backgroundcheck.com. Here's how to use a Colorado move-in, move-out inspection checklist effectively. Colorado requires security deposits to be returned within 30 days of the tenant vacating, extendable to 60 days if the lease provides for it. An itemized statement must accompany any deductions. The move-in inspection checklist establishes the condition baseline that makes any legitimate deduction supportable. Conduct the move-in inspection on or before the day the tenant takes possession. Cover every room, walls, floors, ceilings, windows, doors, appliances, and fixtures. Document pre-existing damage with written notes and photographs. Both parties should sign the completed checklist. At move-out, use the same form. The comparison between move-in and move-out condition, minus ordinary wear and tear, supports any deductions you claim. Attach both checklists and supporting photographs to your itemized statement. Without a signed move-in checklist, tenants can claim any damage existed before they moved in. And without documentation to contradict them, courts typically side with the tenant. Our free Colorado move-in, move-out inspection checklist is formatted for residential use and covers all standard property areas. For the free form and Colorado landlord resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.